Hello everyone, I'm Divsha Bhatt, Technology Editor for Gulf Business, and I would like to welcome you all to GB Talks. The pandemic accelerated digitalization, caused a shift in the human behavior, and prompted enterprises to rethink their strategies. Moreover, with the introduction of on demand technologies, what was once an alternative became the only option for businesses and enterprises. Moving on to the surveillance industry, although hard disk and solid state drives market were affected by the pandemic, the forecast looks stable for the storage industry. To shed more light on this, we have with us Mr. Mohammed Sharif Zubair, Surveillance Sales Manager at Seagate. Welcome, Mohammed.
Thank you, Disha. Thank you for the introduction.
So, Mohammed, just beginning with, can you please introduce Seagate Storage and Surveillance Solutions?
Seagate Technology is a world-class leader in data storage and management solution. It has been into business for more than 40 years, and we build innovative world-class precision-engineered internal, external storage solutions. We have storage drives for every task and function in the industry.
So, how do you think the storage and surveillance industry is evolving technologically?
The most rapidly growing sector of the security industry is undoubtedly the video surveillance, which is one of the key systems in the security surveillance, security systems industry, which has seen the fast adoption with the boost in video quality. When I refer video quality, I'm referring to adoption of high resolution cameras and also the drop in the overall system prices. The major element complementing the growth are surging deployment of surveillance system, and in certain key verticals, it is mandatory in the region. Now, artificial intelligence technology evolution and increased adoption of video surveillance is a key trend in the market at the moment. That's where we see a lot of adoption being happening very rapidly. And going forward, AI will be the key driver in the video surveillance industry itself.
So, although it's growing technologically, there should be some challenges faced. So, what do you think are the core challenges?
From a challenges perspective, despite the advancement in camera resolution and adoption and analytics, which are a key data intensive and can pose some serious IT challenges on the back end. Now, what we have seen in that, no doubt, however, high-end solutions from a resolution, however, from the back end, there are a lot of challenges that some of the customers have reported or what we have experienced in terms of storage. Okay, it's quite obvious that when people focus more on the high resolution requirement of the cameras, at the same time, they need to focus on the backend requirement, which is more to do with the backend solution, that is the storage solution itself, where the answer to these challenges is that you need to choose the right drive, which are video intensive applications. Like there are many storage solutions where we have experienced or observed that in a video surveillance application, a non-surveillance drive is being used. So the answer to this challenge is to use the video intensive application drive.
So, can you please elaborate on the Seagate Skyhawk range of drives?
Seagate has a dedicated video surveillance drive, which is called as Skyhawk. Within Skyhawk, we have got two different categories. The first category is Skyhawk Standard, which has a range starting from 1 TB up till 6 TB. And from 8 TB up till 18 TB, we call it as Skyhawk AI. These particular drives are optimized for artificial intelligence application. Now, these drives are made for video surveillance. At the same time, it is made for AI optimized application. It's designed for machine learning and deep learning application, whereas from a design perspective, it has the ability to do 50% write and 50% read workload. At the same time, these are drives which each of the drives supports 64 video streams at a full HD resolution, followed by 32 AI streams. And from a workload capability, it read-writes 550 terabytes per year. And these drives in specific comes with a 5-year warranty.
So, what are some of the challenges that these Seagate Skyhawk drives conquer?
Now, in specific, these drives are made for, as I said earlier, made for video surveillance application. These drives are designed in such a way that it operates 24/7, tested with full high definition cameras. It's tested with 64 cameras at the same time. And these drives especially comes with inbuilt health management and image perfect firmware, followed by a vibration sensor. That makes it different from a normal drive which are there in the market. Now, since this is made for specifically made for video surveillance application, we highly recommend in a video surveillance application these drives to be used.
So can you tell us how Image Perfect and Skyhawk Health Management improve efficiency and durability?
When it comes to Image Perfect, you get a clear high definition video at a zero drop frame. And with regards to Skyhawk Health Management, basically does three functions, that is prevention, intervention. At the same time, we also included data recovery or rescue within our Skyhawk drives. Now, when it comes to the first one, which is the prevention, it is basically monitoring the system drive parameters. For example, if the drive is under vibration or if it is facing excess temperature, likewise. To intervention, monitoring the drive parameter with high failure predictability. At the same time, it also does the recommendation of certain key things like either you need to do a backup or so. In the worst to worst, if the drive fails, we also have data recovery, which is included as free service for the Skyhawk drives.
So data recovery being key, what are the data recovery and rescue services that you offer?
Data recovery is a very unique services Seagate is offering. It's an in-house service that is being done at a Seagate laboratory. Skyhawk drives comes with data recovery included as free. And this particular Skyhawk data recovery services for Skyhawk is only valid if the drives are purchased in the region via authorized distributor. This particular data recovery or rescue services is valid for a period of 3 years. I encourage the end customer as well as the system installers to visit our website to know more about this data recovery services, because this is one unique offering which Seagate is doing when generally what we see in the market comparatively.
So why do you think data recovery is a key differentiator and a winner in the market?
We offer this data recovery services in-house. It means the data recovery services will be provided at a Seagate laboratory by Seagate engineers. If you think from an end customer's point of view, it gives a peace of mind that the data recovery is being done by the manufacturer themselves when compared to a third party. So when this particular unique feature will be explained to the end customer, and if it is pre-qualified properly in their commercial proposal, I am more than certain that the proposal will get traction and it will come out as a clear winner. The unique thing is it's being offered in-house.
Can you please shed light on how SWA installers can register themselves for the Seagate Partner Program?
The Seagate Partner Program is a good platform to connect, train, and drive new business. It's meant for system installers, resellers, system integrators, and technology alliance partners of Seagate. To know more, I would recommend the audiences to visit our website www.seagate.com/partners, where you will come to know more details about this particular partner program of Seagate.
So how does the new Seahawk app complement its products and solutions?
Now, Skyhawk app is a gateway for key value information between Seagate and the system installers. Okay, it's a single point of entry for all communication, which will also have a different business opportunity. Any product launches and updates Seagate is going to do, it's going to be available on the Skyhawk app. At the same time, the system installers can check about their warranty. They will be in a position to calculate the storage, and there will also be an estimated builder. It becomes very handy when you have all these features within the app, because it helps a lot from a system installer point of view, where the information is very handy.
Before the closing note, Zubair, can you tell us where can companies buy the Seahawk surveillance products in the region?
We have our authorized distributor in the region, namely Redington, Logicom, and Asbis. They can always reach out to them. At the same time, they can also visit our website, www.seagate.com, for further information on the same.
Thank you, Zubair. Thank you for your time and shedding light on the Seagate products and solutions.